Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. Today I am going to be showing you how to do something that I just learned about 2 days ago on GMA, Good Morning America. And they were talking about strobing, makeup strobing. And you know, the first thing that I thought of when I heard the word strobing, I thought of strobe lights and brightness and just sporadic. And that's kind of what strobing is, what makeup strobing is. It's putting light highlights on your face. And so basically what strobing is that. It's kind of the opposite of contouring. Contouring is where you put darker colors in to make your face look more chiseled, or to reshape your nose, or to make that look a little more chiseled. But strobing is the other half of contouring, because usually you do dark and then you do highlighting on top to make the dark look even more chiseled or more concave, like that. So today I am going to show you what I learned on GMA. And so I'm gonna try it for the first time. I've never tried it. I'm so excited because contouring is kind of hard if you're new at applying makeup like I am. I've only been learning new techniques for about 6 to 8 months, and I'm just now starting to get the hang of contouring, but it sounds like that's going out the window, and a lot of people are doing makeup strobing instead, especially for summertime. It's a more natural, glowy, dewy look, which everyone wants in the summertime, right? You want to look fresh and clean and just glowing. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I guess it's been around for a while. It's very popular in France, and so I guess we're just bringing it to America now. So hey, let's try it. I've already got my foundation on, and I'm using the Fit Me New Dewy and Smooth look. And I did that because the whole look of strobing is so that it's a nice glowy dewy look. So of course I wasn't going to use a matte foundation, and now I am going to do my concealer. Alrighty. Okay, so now that I have the concealer on, let's get to strobing. So basically, strobing is highlighting the high points of your face so that the parts that you normally want contoured will look more concave, more contoured. So by highlighting all the high points of your face, that's going to make everything else look as if you've contoured. That's the concept anyway. So let's see how it works. From what I've learned, I've seen some people still use a little bit of blush just to give your face color. But usually creams, powders will usually make you look more mattified. So you want to use products that are creamy so that it keeps that dewy, glowy look. So I'm going to use this Glide On blush stick that I got in one of my makeup subscriptions. So I'm going to put that on the apples of my cheek. I've seen some people do the blush before, and I've seen some do it after the actual strobing, but I'm going to do it before. And by using a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, it's actually keeping the dewy look going for us. It's not making it look too thick and heavy. It's keeping it light and creamy. So there's that. And now let me try the strobing. And so what I'm going to use is my Hard Candy Glow Away. And one end is for contouring. So this is where you would contour with this bronzy color. And this is the highlighter. So yeah, let's try it. So I'm gonna put it in all the spots where, if you're in front of a window like I am, let's say all the lights were off and you're in front of the window, which part of your face stands out and gets lit up. So that's where I'm going to be putting this. And usually for highlighting, you stop right about where your eyeball is and you go upward to there. Okay, So another place that you would highlight, I think I'm going to do this with my finger, right above the eyebrows, right on the bridge of your nose. These are all high points, and by doing that you can automatically see that it looks like I've contoured the sides, but I haven't. It's just because of using this light. You would put some here on your forehead because the light always hits you there. And then you want to put some on your Cupid's bow. Putting some on your Cupid's bow makes your lips look plumper. And then on your chin. And then, because normally you contour right here to make yourself look like you have a more chiseled jaw or a more chiseled cheekbone, if you put highlighter right here, it actually, the light makes this look dark. So I'm going to add some there. I haven't seen anybody else do this when they've been doing their strobing, but to me it makes a lot of sense to do that. So I'm going to try that. Okay, another place is right under your eyebrow, your brow bone. Okay, now let's blend it out. I'm going to blend this out right here with this brush just because it'll get into that little area there. But the rest I'm going to blend out with my beauty blender. So can you see a dewiness, like a nice glow to it? Because that's kind of what the new trend is going to be, is the new glowy look, the new strobing glowing look. So basically to me, strobing is just a fancy, they finally put a word other than highlighting to, to the contouring part of it. It's contour, highlight, but now if you're just doing the highlighting, they put the word strobing to it. I've always liked a nice dewy look, and I've never really had oily skin. I have normal to dry skin, so I like this whole new idea of strobing. It takes way less time than actual contouring does. You have less product on your face, it feels light. With contouring, you have to chisel it, then you have to put all kinds of stuff on top, and then you blend it, and then you chisel a little bit more, and it just feels really thick and cakey and heavy, where this just feels really light and luminescent. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up my face, I'm gonna do my lipstick, and I will be back. Okay, so I'm back, I've got my lipstick on, and I forgot that another place to highlight or to strobe is on the inner corners of your eye, your tear duct area. Just kind of highlight a little bit in there, and it kind of opens up your eye, makes you look brighter, more awake. But I forgot that that is another spot where it actually makes you look healthy and glowy and more awake. Okay, and then another spot would be your lips. This makes your lips look bigger and plumper when you put a lighter color over your lipstick, right in the spot where the light would hit you the most. All right. So yeah, you guys are gonna have to let me know what you think of this whole strobing process thing. I think I really like it, and I think it actually, even though you don't see actual contouring, I think because we highlighted here and here, it actually does make it look as if I did contour my cheekbones a bit, and it does give the, it makes it appear as if I contoured here, because there's like a shadow there, because I highlighted the bridge of my nose, where look, you can clearly see that I didn't put any contouring product on there, but when you look forward, it looks like I contoured. Now I'm going to just lightly dust my brush, and if you have an oily T-zone, you can just very lightly dab in that area, and it won't completely take the dewy, glowy look that we're trying to achieve, but yet it'll kind of set in the look so that you don't sweat through it or oil doesn't go through it. So you can do this if you want, and it actually sets in the highlighter that you put on there, and it still shows through. So the only thing I have on my face is moisturizer, foundation, concealer, and I have creamy blush, and I have highlighter, and that's it pretty much, other than a little bit of translucent powder to help the product stay on. So yeah, let me know if you give it a try. I'm excited to see pictures if you guys try it, and yeah, I had fun strobing with y'all. Alright guys, so my next video is going to be tomorrow. I'm gonna film again. I'm gonna be doing a review on a foundation that I heard about. It's not a brand new foundation, but it's new to me. It's L'Oreal True Match Lumi. So I'm gonna be doing a review on this tomorrow. So if you've ever wondered about this one, stay tuned and tune in tomorrow. Alrighty guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for joining me here at Glam It Up with Glama. Don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves, and don't forget to love everyone you come in contact with, okay? Alrighty, because you can make a difference in your little circle of the world. Just give someone a bright smile, and you might make a difference in their life. Alrighty guys, I love you. Mwah.